Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll be going over the Trailers tab. In our platform, trailers are defined as unpowered vehicles that have no tracking device installed and that are towed by another vehicle that has a tracking device. As a basic tutorial, we'll be going over the trailers list selection at the top and manual bindings. Let's start off by creating a trailer using the new button at the top of our work list. Let's name our trailer. I'll name this one Basic T-65. For the icon, I'll select the picture of my trailer from my local files on the computer. Since this will be a basic setup with a manual binding, I won't need to put in a code. In the advanced tutorial, we'll go over automatic binding and how that works into it. Optionally, in the description text box, you can go into more details about your trailer. The exclusive option is an advanced feature related to automatic binding, and it will be revised in the advanced tutorial for trailers. Custom fields are useful in the fact that you can add uniform descriptions to your trailers. For example, I'll add year 2016, color black, brand Mastercraft, purpose forklift transfer, and capacity 15,000 pounds. Now that we've made our changes, let's click OK. Now we can see our newly created unit on the work list. With the first checkbox on the row, we can give or take away the trailer's map visibility. To the right of here, we can begin to see our creation starting with our custom icon, followed by the trailer name. And if we hover over the icon or name, we can see the custom fields we filled out to help better describe the unit we've created. Now we should bind our unit to make all of our work worth it. First, click on the binding chain and then we'll select our unit. I'll select Vehicle 10. Now that this unit is bound, we'll see that the unit's icon in place of the binding chain. If we hover over the unit icon, we can see in more detail on that unit. The second thing that happens when you hover over the unit icon is that the unit icon turns into a red breaking chain. If you click on this, you can remove the manual binding. In case you ever forget to manually bind a trailer to a unit, you can use the Register Working Interval button to the right of the binding button. This allows you to look at the historical bindings as well as enter a whole new shift or even incomplete ones. Just select the data and time range at the top and hit Show. At the bottom, let's hit Register Shift. Now, let's select the unit it was bound to. In my case, it's Vehicle 10. To register an incomplete shift, we'll only need to fill out the shift beginning. Although if the shift is already completed, we can use the shift end by activating its checkbox and filling out the end time as well. Now let's get out of these windows by selecting OK in the shift registration and manual binding and history windows. This will ensure all of our information is saved. If you need to go back and edit anything about one of your trailers, you can easily go back and edit by selecting the trailer properties wrench here. If you have a trailer that shares similar properties, you can clone it by using the copy feature. And if a trailer no longer exists, or if you accidentally copy one too many times, you can select the red X here to delete it. Congratulations and thank you for completing our tutorial on the Trailers tab. I hope by now you feel a little more at ease when operating through our platform. To further extend your knowledge on our platform, check out our other video tutorials. I'll see you next time.